Alright, it's June 17th, 2013.
Yeah.
Dylan and I are going to start restoring this 1969 Z50 K1 Honda Mini Trail. It doesn't look too bad in the pics, but if you really knew these mini bikes, you would know that it needs a lot of work. So Dylan and I together are going to tear it apart and restore it to look like brand new. It will probably take us a good year, so we'll have to see what it looks like a year from now probably. Hopefully not that long, but a year from now and tons of money later. Don't listen to that part, Mom. Alright. Ready, Dylan?
Yeah.
We're going to start taking it apart.